Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, milling machines, lathes, welders, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you a nice heavy-duty machine. This is a 22 by 60, 22 over the swing here, 60-inch over your centers. It also has a gap, so you could pull this gap out, pull the chuck off, and you could swing some oblong pieces, some different things in that. It makes it a really nice extra lathe. You can get a couple extra things with it. You got your rear chip pan, light, nice running machine, foot brake. We'll go ahead and run this. Has a nice heavy duty 6-jaw chuck that definitely was very expensive for somebody. You can see our feeds running right now. We'll go ahead and put this in our cross feed. You can see that moving. Okay. Then we'll change that. Got our longitudinal feed. Pull that out and we can get into our threading mode. Right here what we'll do is we'll change this and put it, and you can notice our thread screw is now turning. And we'll put into threading mode. You can see our longitudinal wheel is now moving. There we go, all caught up. Hit the brake, we're off. We'll go ahead and turn that down, and we will show you how to speed change. Now there's a few different ways to speed change. You have a jog right here. That's gonna go ahead and let you make sure that you're engaged in your gears. You're gonna go ahead and turn this. You have your 3 speeds in each position. So we've got our blue at 25, our yellow at 90, and our red at 540, it looks like. Right now we're in the middle at 90. We're gonna go ahead and switch it over. Make sure we're engaged here. I could feel it fall in. Check it here with our jog. We know we're good there. And now we're gonna be at 540 RPM. I'll let you hear the head because it sounds really good. Microphone's right on me here. Nice running machine. Again, ready to go. If this is the size you're looking for, let us know what size you need. If you want any additions like a digital readout, this one already has a digital readout on it. What that's going to do is give you your X and Y readout on there, make it really easy to see exactly where your lathe is going to be. Nice addition to these machines. Give us a call if you're looking for this type of machine, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website. We have a lot of different machines coming in every day. We buy, sell, and trade since 1954. We'd love to work with you. Check out sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.